Okay guys, I'm out and about. It's Wednesday night, 9 o'clock. Today was supposed to be my last day in Puerto Vallarta, but I'm not going home. My 180 days are up now, so I will be staying here a little bit longer. I was speaking to some guys yesterday, and they said all you do is get fined at the airport about 1,000 pesos, which I can live with. So I'll stay here a few more weeks until the prices of the flights come down as low season begins to hit. But I'm off now to Mandalay and see what it's like there. Town is very quiet, very quiet. Margarita Grill. Oh, it looks quite busy. My mate's working there tonight. It's busier there than I thought it would be anyway. So I'm not staying there, it's too expensive. My handle is 40 pesos for a beer. We'll go down. Go see what Pancho's is like. Today I did my washing and I had a pleasant surprise because I was emptying the pockets of my trousers, and the pair of trousers I hadn't worn for a while. When I emptied, there was 1,100 pesos in one of the pockets. So that's getting hammered tonight. I wasn't going to go out. I went out, I think, one night. I can't remember. Monday? Yeah, Monday. Or it might be Tuesday. I can't remember. And I was completely wrecked. And I was sick all the next day. Not vomiting, just bloody heart palpitations and dehydrated. So I wasn't going to go out, but I thought, why not? Okay, Pancho's. Oh, there you go. Okay, Pancho's, well, it's queue there, it's busy. You know, one good thing about Pancho's, they do a good turnover there. You know, they make good money. But I like this little area here, so I want to see you one more time before I do eventually leave. So it's just down the road from Pancho's. Pancho's there. And then all this lit up area. I'll take a walk this way, I think, along the front, see what the restaurants, how busy they are on the front here. This one here is dead as usual. Norak, I think it's called. I was going to go there, but it's never busy there. And I've seen some of the reviews, which most of them I take with a pinch of salt, but they're not very good. Los Arcos Hotel. Norak. Okay. That looks very romantic, but I'm not too sure about the food there. Pier's lit up, which is good to see. I haven't been down here in the evenings for a few weeks on this. Probably the first time I've been down here for about 3 weeks on the front here at night. I come during the day, just when I go for my daily walk. But yeah, it does seem a little bit quiet. There's a nice little setting to have some food. It's nice and warm out tonight as well. There's no wind. It's been breezy and windy for the last few weeks. But it's not so bad at the moment. Quatters is quiet, which is probably the first time I've ever seen it quiet. It's always very busy here. Practically nobody sitting in the seats and the sound, and again it's too dark. I'm gonna go walk up here, I'm gonna go round the list. This is just a short video, these aren't doing that, just fillers really. What I said it was, it is very warm tonight. Wow, sweat's really dripping down my back. Right, it's come 9 o'clock, just gone. I'll be out now until 1, I believe. And then I'll be going home, back to the park. I don't even want to drink much. I still feel a little bit queasy after the other night. I'm not quite recovered. I did have about 28 coronas throughout the day. Archie's Walk. Is it closed? Yeah. Oh no, here's Archie's Walk here. Oh no, it's open. Ideal spot there for Asian food. I haven't been there for a while. I need to go. I need to maybe take Emma there. Like, I don't know what she's like with Asian food. I'll have to ask her if she's into it at all. We were speaking about curries the other day. She didn't have a clue what a curry was. Well, fair enough. Okay, what we got here? Ignorant people around there. Or just banged into me then and said nothing. Look, this is a feeble, have to knock them out. Ignorant fucks. Hola! Hola! Hola amigos! Hola amigos! Hola! Okay, let's see what's like in here. Okay guys, it's night in Adelaide and it is time to go home. Hola. We go for food? Food? Can we eat that? So we can decide whether we're going to do it. Oh, well, you're on the margaritas. It's going to be a hard night. So, yeah. Head spinning. So we'll go now for some tacos maybe and amiga or maybe just to get home. I have got food. There you go, guys. Here we are now. I believe.